Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Foodie challenge, a monthly challenge that is hosted by Nadia DIYs, and her co-hostesses this month are Crafting Cousins. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box. They are very creative and they have a whole variety of topics, from trash to treasure, Dollar Tree, different styles, you name it. So please visit their channels, and I will also leave the link to the playlist with the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. Please watch all of them. You won't regret it. You will get a lot of inspiration. Okay, I hope that you know already that my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters. And a few months ago we found this. Is so big. I don't know you can see it entirely. It's a frame. We found two. This is how it looks, how they looked originally, but the one I'm going to use today is this one that I have distressed. I dry brush it in white with regular acrylic paint, so I think it looks much better. At least I like it much more. So I'm going to work with this frame. What am I going to do? Okay, let's put it here. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to make a sign for Thanksgiving. The theme of this month Foodie challenge is pumpkins, so I'm going to use a pumpkin. First, I printed out this sentiment that is one of my mottos. Happiness is not what makes us grateful, it is gratefulness what makes us happy. And I can assure you that that's the whole truth. So I copied this from internet. I saved this saying from internet, and I printed it on balloon paper as I usually do. I have to use 2 pages because the length of the width of the page is not enough to hold all the letters. So I printed them, and also this one. And using this white transfer paper, which I love because it allows me to see where I'm placing my letters. That's why I use vellum paper, because it also allows me to see where I'm placing my letters. And the advantage of using this white transfer paper when you're going to paint something white on black is that when you transfer something, you get it in white. So I got all the letters in white. I just had to go all over them with my favorite marker, which is the Bistro Chalk marker by Ushida. So that's what I did. I painted everything. I painted this famous pumpkin from Dollar Tree, also in white. I removed the raffia bow that was here, and I added these pieces that are from Hobby Lobby. The paper is from Hobby Lobby. And maybe you're wondering, why do I have Velcro here and Velcro here? Well, it is because I am making a double-sided sign. I'm going to use both sides of the pumpkin and both sides of this foam, which is also from Dollar Tree. I cut it to size to match the frame. That's why I'm going to add this pumpkin here with the Velcro, because then I will have to remove it to use it on the other side of this foam that I'll show you in a minute. So when I remove this to use it on the other side, I will use this Velcro to adhere this pumpkin to the Velcro I have on the other side. Suspense, suspense. So I'm going to cover this with this bow that I made, sorry, which also has a little bit of Velcro. I'm not going to press too much, because it's not going to get loose. It's not going to fall, just a bit. And so here you have the first sign. It's really, really easy. Now, to use it on the other side, I remove the bow, I remove the pumpkin, and I'm going to use this for Halloween. So, as you can see, I have Velcro here, so I'm going to add this pumpkin here. Again, I'm going to press. And in this case, I needed to hide this. And what I'm going to do with this? Okay, I transform this guy into a girl. I use this ribbon that I already had. I added some Velcro. And she's a female now. A pretty girl. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So, now that I have this, I'm going to add other elements. Again, I printed these letters on 2 sheets of vellum paper. Again, using the white transfer paper, I transferred them here, and also painted them with my marker. For the face, I also use this white vellum paper, the translucent vellum paper, and the white transfer paper. And then with a black marker, I fill in the eyes and went over the whole stuff. So now I'm going to add this moon, half moon, where I made already the mark. I wanted it to be glossy, so I use photo paper. So I'm going to add this adhesive. Like so. And here we have the half moon. I will probably go around with white marker later. I think it's going to look better. And I have these 2 windows decals. So I'm going to add one here and one here. I still would like to add something small here, but I couldn't find anything in my stash, so for now it's going to look like this. So again, I'm going to add adhesive to the ghosts that I think are really, really cute. And I'm going to glue them to the black foam. Uh-oh. I was placing it too close to the border, and the frame was going to hide the kind of curl and ruin the hairdo of the ghost. So I'm going to add some adhesive here, and problem solved. And now the other one. I love this runners because they allowed you to apply the adhesive very quickly. Sorry for the noises. We had our water shut down because there was a problem, a flooding downstairs, and it seems they have opened it again. And I don't know if you can hear this noise, like a river is flowing. So sorry about that. Well, this is it for the signs. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to place them for it in the frame. Let me tidy this. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going to use the Halloween side first because I decorate for Halloween first, and then after Halloween I decorate for fall and Thanksgiving. So this is going to be the side that is going to go to the front. This is the back. And now I'm going to use this piece of white foam, also from Dollar Tree, that I'm going to place here. And I'm going to add some bits of this packing tape to hold it in place. During the Halloween season. So then, when I want to switch to the other side, I just have to cut it with a cutter, flip over the sign, and add the tape again. It's really easy. You can use another system, technique. You may add some nails, whatever. It's just to hold the sign in place. One more. It's better if I apply it here because I will have to remove this black paper. You see here, it's not staying in place because the paper moves. So the tape doesn't stick. So now I'm going to leave that this way. So this is the front of the Halloween side. I think I have to move this a little to the top. I'm going to fix this in a moment, and I'll show you how it looks from this side, and then I'll flip it for you to see both sides when it's standing. So this is it. I hope you like this creation, this idea. I like double-sided signs. I like using both sides of every sign. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Also ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I want to thank the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and also watch all the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. I hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.